Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to set up OBS Studio so that you can record your PC screen if you want to do tutorials like I do. So I've just installed OBS. I'm going to open it right here. I'm doing this off camera because I don't have any screen record software in my PC currently. So I'm going to set up everything to show you how I get it done. You click on next, just click on next, and it's going to ask for if you're a streamer. It's going to ask you if you stream. Well, me, I don't stream, so I'm going to cancel the streaming configurations. Let me put it full screen. Now what you have to do is to click on this plus icon right here, this one. This is the source. Click on it to ask you to choose a source. Some of these are your front camera, some of them are your mic. So you have to look for display capture. That's what we want to capture. We want to record our screen, so I will choose display capture. And now right here is going to ask me to select confirm the source. I'll click on OK. And now the next thing to do is to choose your display. When I click on this place, you're going to see I have a 1080p screen. Select it. As you can see right here, it has gotten my display. You can review the settings. For me, there's nothing to set here. Just click on OK. And now we have a source right here. So if I want to record my screen, what I will do is to click right here, start recording. So it's now recording the screen. You can see if you want to stop, you click on stop. So I'm going to minimize it. And right now it is recording the screen. You can see right here running in the background. So this is how you set up OBS. Now let me stop recording. Click on stop recording. And it has saved the file. So let me look for where it saved the file. I think we'll go to videos. Let me look for where it saves the files. Okay, you can see right here. This is the file we just recorded. The video we just recorded right now. So that's how you set up OBS to record your screen on your laptop or desktop computer. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.